Are you looking for a comprehensive health insurance plan with exceptional coverage benefits? Look no further than HDFC ERGO Optima Secure. This plan is not just about providing you with financial assistance during medical emergencies, but also about giving you peace of mind. It offers a unique 4x coverage advantage, ensuring increased financial security when you need it the most. From day one, you're covered, and your coverage only grows from there. With Optima Secure, you get more than just a health insurance plan. You get peace of mind. Let's unpack the 4x coverage advantage, shall we? With HDFC ERGO Optima Secure, you're not just getting a health insurance policy, you're investing in a comprehensive plan designed to evolve with your needs. First up, we have the Secure benefit. This little gem instantly doubles your base policy coverage. That's right, from day one your coverage is doubled. So if you start with a sum insured of 10 lakh, you're looking at 20 lakhs of coverage right off the bat. Next, we have the Plus benefit. This feature is like your policy's personal trainer, helping it bulk up over time. After the first year, your base cover increases by 50%, and after the second year, it's up a full 100%. And the best part? This growth occurs regardless of any claims made. The third pillar of our 4x coverage advantage is the Protect benefit. This benefit goes beyond the medical bills and covers those often overlooked non-medical expenses that add up during hospitalization. Think gloves, masks, syringes, the little things that can make a big difference to your wallet. Finally, we have the Automatic Restore benefit. This benefit ensures that your entire base cover is restored after any claim, whether partial or full. That means you're never without coverage when you need it most. Each of these benefits works together to create a health insurance plan that doesn't just cover you, it secures you. It's proactive, adaptable, and designed to grow with you. So, whether you're facing a minor hiccup or a major health crisis, you can rest easy knowing that you're covered. As life changes, so do your health insurance needs. That's why we've designed Optima Secure to be more than just a policy. It's a promise to keep you secure, no matter what life throws your way. With Optima Secure, your coverage grows with you, ensuring your financial security. Want to see how these benefits translate to real-world scenarios? Let's consider Mr. Sharma. He opts for a 10 lakh base plan. With the 4 times coverage benefits, his coverage increases to 20 lakh in the first year, thanks to the Secure benefit. In the second year, the Plus benefit kicks in, taking his coverage to 30 lakh. Should he make a claim, the Automatic Restore benefit ensures his base cover is restored, bringing his coverage back up to 40 lakh. But that's not all. Optima Secure is also about affordability. You can get a 25% discount on premiums by choosing a voluntary deductible of 25,000 rupees on claims. After 5 years, you have the option to switch to a zero deductible plan. So with Optima Secure, you're not just getting comprehensive coverage, you're getting it at an attractive price point. Optima Secure not only offers comprehensive coverage, but also makes it affordable. But that's not all. Optima Secure offers much more than just health coverage. This comprehensive plan covers pre- and post-hospitalization expenses for 60 and 180 days respectively, ensuring you're not burdened with bills even after you've left the hospital. It also includes home healthcare services, daily cash allowance for shared hospital room stays, and preventive health checkups to keep you in top shape. And if you're facing a critical illness, the e-opinion service provides expert guidance for 51 severe conditions. Additional features further elevate the Optima Secure plan. Cashless hospitalization is available across a vast network of over 12,000 hospitals. You can also enjoy tax benefits under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act. Plus, the policy offers lifelong renewal with no claim-based loading and no geographical co-payments, ensuring your health coverage is as dynamic as your life. Optima Secure is a health insurance plan designed with your needs in mind. We understand that everyone's needs are different. That's why Optima Secure offers flexible policy options. Choose from a wide range of coverage, family or individual plans, and policy terms up to 3 years. Plus, enjoy quick services like fast claim settlements and round-the-clock customer support. With Optima Secure, you get a health insurance plan tailored to your needs and prompt service when you need it. Let's talk about renewals and exclusions. With Optima Secure, enjoy lifelong renewability and reduced waiting periods upon continuous renewal. However, remember, standard exclusions like cosmetic surgery apply, while Optima Secure offers extensive coverage